Welcome to the installation guide for the RGB Hex Frame Light. Before starting, ensure all components are present and that installation is being carried out by a qualified person. This product is designed for indoor, dry locations only. Do not exceed an 11 grid design, and ensure the total connected load remains below 360 watts from a single power connection. This product is not modular. Begin by laying out all of the supplied LED tubes and connectors on a clean, flat surface. Arrange the components according to the desired hexagonal pattern before making any electrical connections. Using the supplied 120-degree and Y connectors, join each tube together to create the frame structure. As you connect the sections, ensure the arrows on the input wires match the arrows marked on the LED tubes. Maintaining the correct direction is essential for proper operation. Continue assembling each section until the complete hex frame design has been formed. Once the frame is fully assembled, position it in the desired installation location. For grid ceilings, secure the frame using the supplied zip ties. For solid or flat ceilings, the frame should be securely fixed using appropriate screws and fixings. Next, connect the signal wire and controller, followed by the 24-volt power supply. Double-check that all connections are secure before applying power. With all connections complete, switch on the power supply. The RGB hex frame should now illuminate and can be controlled using the supplied remote control. Test the available colors, effects, and brightness settings to confirm correct operation. Your RGB hex frame installation is now complete and ready for use.